Fats, oils, and grease, also known as fogs, should never be poured down the drain. They clog your pipes. It's not just bacon grease and frying oils, it's a variety of foods like butter, dairy products, food scraps, and others. When you pour fogs down your kitchen drain, they accumulate inside the sewer pipes. They build and build and build until eventually your pipes are completely backed up. When a clog like that happens, you might never get rid of that nasty wastewater. A backup like that can also be very expensive to repair. To avoid dishing out hundreds of dollars for something you can easily avoid, consider composting fogs, if you can, or taking them to the clean recycling center. Keep in mind, clogged pipes in your home also affect the sewer system in our entire city. They cause wastewater to overflow into parks, yards, and streets. And when that happens, fogs contaminate our drinking water. That's a problem we can do without.